Here a 230 SPX outboard. It's got a 200 Mercury Verado on the back. Look at this large sun pad right here in the transom. Port side walkthrough. 2 steps down into the cockpit. Look at all the seating. This is the largest 23 in its class. Tons of seats. We got a cooler. Dedicated cooler. This is an insulated right there. Insulated seat right here. That's also a secondary cooler. Again, outboard power. So underneath here, we have a ton of storage. If I lift that up, it's finished. Gas assist struts. You got the boat cover in here. So this boat also has a full boat cover, bow and cockpit. 2 captain's chairs. Says blue LED interior indirect lighting package. Cup holders lit up. Fusion stereo system. And Simrad. Little 5-inch Simrad screen. Got nice seating in the bow. Also has the upgraded stainless steel chrome handle package. And the Infinity woven flooring. We got a head compartment here in the port side. Open that up. It does have a pump out, so you do not have to carry that toilet out. You can pump it out of the dock. Again, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing you brand new 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. 954-633-2070.